In this short video, I will quickly show you how to add your payment method to your Facebook ad account. At this point, I want to assume that you have already set up your Facebook business portfolio or your business manager the correct way, because it is only after you have done that that you can really start running ads the most effective way. All right, so if you have not done so, I want to look at this particular video on your screen where I showed you exactly how to set up your Facebook business manager like a pro, so that you can comply to all the Facebook procedures and start running effective ads the right way. So you want to check on that video and be sure that you have set up your Facebook business manager the right way before you can even start talking of adding payment method to your Facebook ad account. So I want to assume that your account is ready, you have your ad account there, and then you just want to add your payment method. All you need to do is to open your browser. First of all, make sure that you are already signed into your normal Facebook profile, as you can see here. Then on the same browser, you want to open a new tab, and this time around, you want to type in business.facebook.com as you're seeing on your screen, and then you want to enter that. Okay, once you do that, it's going to redirect you to the Meta Business Suite, and then you want to come all the way down here to the Settings tab here. You want to click on that. All right, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to your business portfolio, as you can see here. So what you want to do here is that you want to come to this left pane here, and then you want to scroll all the way down, and you want to locate your billing and payment. As you can see here, you want to click on that link. It's going to open a new tab for you. All right, so as you can see here, it has redirected me to my Facebook ad account. As you can see here on this particular business portfolio, I have only one ad account here. Okay, so what I want to do here is that I want to come to this add payment method, as you can see here. And of course, another thing you can do is that you can add it from this particular tab also. So here, if I come to add payment method, I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to pop this window for me. So here I want to choose my country. I want to choose the currency for which I want to be using to pay for the ad. For example, I live in Nigeria, and if you're in Nigeria, you want to pay with the Nigerian local currency, which is the Nigerian Naira. All you need to do is to click on the drop down arrow here, and then you can go ahead and select whichever currency that you want to use to make this payment. I always do my own Facebook ad on USD, so I'm going to leave it at US dollars. Again, for time zone, you want to choose the appropriate time zone by clicking the drop down arrow, as you can see here. So for me, I'm in Lagos, so I'm just going to use the Lagos time zone, as you can see here. And then once I do that, I'm going to click on the blue next button. Okay, so once I do that, it's going to just confirm all of this information. If I'm okay with that, of course, as you can see here, you can also pay with PayPal, but I'm going to leave mine at credit or debit card. Okay, so I will just come to the next button here. Okay, so here, asking me for the name on my card, I'm going to fill in my name, and then for my card number, I'm going to fill in my card number. Again, if you live in Nigeria and you feel like you want to also be making your payment in US dollars, you can let me know so that I can decide if I'm supposed to make another video on how you can get a working dollar card in Nigeria. Okay, once I do that here, I'm going to fill in the month as appropriate and the year, and then I'm going to put in my CVV here. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to come to this. I agree that Meta can charge this card on a recurring basis. And then once I do that, I'm going to click on save. All right, so as you can see here, my card has been saved successfully. So I'm just going to skip this. And then as you can see here, I have a new card detail on this account. And then I think this account at this point is ready to start running Facebook ads. So this is how to add payment method to your Facebook ad account so that you can get your ad account ready to start running your Facebook ad. So you can check on your screen. I have other Facebook business manager settings that you need to do to have a proper and a healthy Facebook ad managers, and then you can run very effective and profitable ad on Facebook. Please, I want you to share this video, like it if I give you value. And if you are an unsubscribed visitor on this channel and you want to see more videos like this one, why not subscribe, turn on the alert notification so that YouTube can notify you when I make more videos like this. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.